Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Of course, I have to support and endorse the motion moved by the leader of government business and how appropriate it is that we are doing this because it is absolutely vital that we resolve so many of the issues affecting the standing orders and, more importantly, to proceed with a greater degree of certainty in enabling all of us who are here as representatives to feel that we are indeed able representatives who are recognized for the role that we are elected to play. Earlier, Madam Speaker, I had tried to ask a question, and I think these are some of the issues that will have to be resolved going forward, because for the 29 years I'm here, there has never been an issue about any item on the order that could not elicit a question and a response. And the response is normally not from the speaker, but from the leader of government business, as the case might be. And Madam Speaker, I believe as we address these standing orders, we need to be absolutely clear about when a member can address the Parliament, at what time can a member seek an explanation or a clarification, and there is nothing wrong as we go forward in any item, any of the items, for a member to rise and to ask for an explanation. And the simple explanation I was asking for today when I got up on the announcement was what has become of the report from the annual report of the Integrity Commission, which is, we would have anticipated them having advised us yesterday that it was sent to the Parliament. It was reasonable for us to expect that we'd have seen it listed under the announced items. And that was a simple question I was seeking to have addressed. And I see no reason why it could not have been allowed. I could not have been allowed. And there are certain courtesies that we extend in the House. Courtesies for the Prime Minister, the leader of the opposition, leader of government business, and the leader of opposition business. And I can't imagine that I could not, at this stage earlier today, be allowed just to say why I got up. And it's not that we're not weaponizing anything. I think it's reasonable for us. It is reasonable for us to anticipate that the report would have been tabled. So I look forward to the work of the Standing Orders Committee. I look forward to debating the draft that was presented to us at the last meeting. We still need to get permission to have it circulated so that all the members can be fully apprised as to the proposals that are coming forward. And I intend, as other members of the committee, to be active participants as we try to enable our standing orders that we can all live with and that will enhance our democracy. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
So some of the erroneous comments made by you a while ago, leader of opposition business, I'm going to ask House Leader to respond because he was also in Standing Orders Committee, particularly because I chair that committee, number one. Number two, the leader or the deputy would also like to make a comment.
I